Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Happy Valentine's Day. Today we'll be taking a look at the Valentine's Day 2024 Nike Dunk Low Edition sneaker. Let's take a quick sneak peek. To another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I thought what better than to do an unboxing, of course, on, for the first time, I feel like in a long time, a Nike Dunk Low that I actually received before the holiday. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really nicely colored Dunk Low, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. For those of you who typically like to buy sneakers based on the holidays, this may have been something for you. I actually won these on an in-store raffle, was really excited by the images of it, but we will kind of go through and talk about the quality of these. I don't think that they are the best in quality when it comes to the materials that they used on these, just because some of the leather on the toe box, if I hold both of these up, you can kind of see there's like a weird lump on the molding here on the left hand side of the toe box, where this one is actually perfectly fine, but there is some weird kind of molding issues on the pair that I got. Other than that, everything else seems fine. As far as the laces go, they gave us kind of like this satin material lace. I honestly don't love the satin tone that they went with. It looks a little bit more on the cheaper end of things. I feel like just a normal lace honestly would have looked a bit better on this pair. We've got just a nice simple metallic white pearlescent tongue, and then we've got this Bordeaux accent on top of that kind of lighter hue of, it's almost like an in-between a rose, light rose tone, which is an interesting color they decided to go with, but I do think it actually goes quite nicely with that Bordeaux finish. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around to the side panels, we've got some smooth underlays, again, of this white leather, and then we've got that Bordeaux finish on the swoosh mark, which is nice and smooth, and then we've got this kind of textured suede on the back, and the Nike, which is embroidered again in that Bordeaux finish, and then we've got the same color palette on the other side of the sneaker itself. The interior is in red and white for the insole, and the sneaker is finished off with this white midsole, and then this nice just rosy reddish light pink tone for the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. far as size and fit goes, I went true to size on these ones, and they fit me perfectly. All right, so as far as styling these, definitely had to dress these up for the ladies out there. If you are having a difficult time trying to figure out how to dress up sneakers, you definitely come to the right place, because I definitely had fun styling these for this special Valentine's Day holiday. So definitely let me know in the comments, what is your favorite look out of the three that I went with. For the first look, I definitely wanted to mix and match some shades. So I decided to go with a nice long maxi satin skirt in this nice red tone. Even though there's not exactly the same red tones or finishes on the sneaker, I feel like it's always fun to kind of mix and match hues that are in the same family. And I decided to go with this cream heart shaped tank top that has this really cool kind of floral texture to it. And I wore some just nice fun red socks. Then for the second look, still kept it pretty dressy. This time I decided to go with a rosier kind of pink tone for this nice maxi satin dress. Definitely, I feel like satin will work very well to kind of pair with the laces that they gave you for this pair.
When you come near me, all I can see is you and me together, building a future forever, loving till eternity. I see you, can't you see what you're doing to me? The way you got me, baby, it's like I can't even breathe. You're all that I need, and I know nothing I do helps me forget about you. You just came out of the blue. If you only knew, let's sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go do it.
And then for the last and final look, decided to go with some nice pop of red tones for a more monochromatic kind of feel. I wore a red bustier with these nice red tights that kind of have a short built into them.
I feel pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go to a restaurant. Do I feel pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go to a restaurant. Do I feel pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. And maybe let's fall in love.
All right, so definitely let me know, which of the three would you like to actually rock for a holiday like Valentine's Day?
To my own. Guess it's a dream, 'cause baby, I'm still alone. We don't have to go out, I'd rather just hang out, get you one-on-one. We don't have to go out, just want you to know now that you're all I want. You know that I'm begging you to stay. You know I will let you have your way.
As far as the retail goes on these are actually going below retail right now. So if you weren't able to cop these either on the app or in store, you can actually get these for a steal right now. So definitely look into whether or not your size range is going for a good price point. Also, be sure to check out my Apothecary socks with Seth Fowler. They have restocked my entire slouch sock collection that I released earlier on, and those sold out so quickly. So don't wait. Be sure to snag a pair, especially if you haven't tried them. You're going to absolutely love them, and we'll have those links in the description box as well. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We will catch you all on the next video. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. Take care.